2022 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 22,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.